Daddy give back. Are you ready? Daddy give back. Daddy give back. Daddy give lada. We are ready. Daddy give lada. Daddy give. Daddy give. Daddy give back. Dikhare boat. Let's say this is a boat. You know what is a boat? Boat. The boat. The in Tibetan we say cha sabju chu. Say cha sabju chu. Cha sabju chu. Labda. Cha sabju chu. Ga da da da. Da sabju du. Chu du. Chudu se na khare boat. Nepal khare nauka. Nauka da di nauka da. Oh, take this all away. So this is a boat. Let's say this is a boat. Okay? Di chudu da. Di chudu re ani tak chiyo tak. Tiger hug me back. Tiger the figure khalagure tak. Tiger the khalagure tak chiyo re. Ani goat la ne figure la khalagure ra. Goat la na hug me back. Ta tiger ki khari sagare tiger की गोट सागरे टाइगर की खारी सागरे गोट सागरे गोट की खारी सागरे गोट की खारी सागरे गोट की खारी सागरे क्यों को ग्रास टाइगर की खारी सागरे रा सागरे रा की खारी सागरे सा सागरे वा तो दिगे the Gukshurda, this let's say this is a river. Okay, let's say this is a river. The Gukshu Bachasha. So tangan dine this sum paike order. You have to take this tree on the other side of the river. Okay, but one at a time. One at a time. Okay, one at a time. For example, now if you take tiger. Okay, if you take tiger first on the other side of the river, and if you keep it there, and you can come back and take the goat on the other side of the river, and then what will happen? What will happen? The tiger will eat the goat, right?
Good, baby.
So, okay, let's say, if you take goat la phagel khala gore ra di chu pharcho le khena ra di chu pharcho le khebarta ani chu yong ba de ani cha khebre cha kheni desha ba. What will happen?
The goat will eat grass.
So we have to save all three of them. Okay, so we can take only one thing at a time, otherwise the boat will sink. The boat will sink in the river. Okay, one at a time. Now what must you take first? In Tibetan we call boat a chudu. Forget a boat la khandis la wore chudu. So okay. So what will you take first? Okay, Norla, what will you take first?
Lion.
First you will take lion at the tiger on the other side of the river, right?
Yes.
Okay, here it goes. The tiger is on the other side of the road. Now you have to return back. What will you take next? Goat. Okay, you will take the goat on the other side of the river. Ani, what will happen?
The tiger will eat the goat.
The tiger will eat the goat. Flop. Wrong answer. You have to save all of them.
The tiger will
So
eat
okay, Norla failed. Okay, now it's Russell's turn. First, what will you take on the other side of the river?
grass.
First, you will take grass. Okay, here it goes. Tatsa. 키워봐. 자, 수용 봐봐. 수용은 다 갈기기 요거. Goat. Goat 키그봐. 델레성아. What will the goat do?
The goat will eat grass.
So wrong answer. You have to sip all three of them. Okay, now wrong. The answer is wrong. That is sagrava. Goat kicha sagrava. Tiger goat ra sagrava. You have to sip all of those, and you can't take all of these things together. If you do, the boat will sink. Okay. Now. Okay, Annie's turn now. Annie's turn. 당보 가리키기. 당보 가리키기.
Good.
당보 라 팔쪽을 이렇게 버려봐. 팔쪽 on the other side. 라 팔쪽을 이렇게 버려. 자, 니네 수용 버려. 수용 다 가리키기. 자, grass. 자, 키워버. 자, 키나 갈치 그래? 갈치 그래? 갈치 그래? 라기 짜사지래. wrong 아니 wrong.
Yeah, finish.
아니 wrong. 자, 갈사. 간디쳐 버렸나? You have to sip all of this. You can't let the tiger eat goat, and you can't let the goat eat grass. Okay? How can you do it? If you take all of this together in a boat, the boat will sink, right? Okay, just 당복 가르쳐 버려 당복.
Okay.